Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to look at some general maintenance and safety tips for the Evebot coffee printer. The first thing is just general cleaning of the printer. You want to keep it clean because remember you are working with food items. The first thing you want to do is remember if you're going to give it a wipe down to use a damp cloth. Do not wipe inside the actual printer but rather on the outside. You can remove this little coaster to clean underneath it, and you can also raise the tray to clean underneath this. All we need to do is go to settings and click tray rise. That lifts the tray up so you can wipe underneath the tray to clean any spillage or any dust. Once you've done that, simply click tray reset. The tray will then go back down again. Some other important factors to mention is it's not a good idea to place the Evebot coffee printer on a glass table or an unstable surface. Also, try and keep it in a place that's not too close to a lot of running water. It's really not a good idea. If you'd like to clean up the images on the tablet, you can delete all of them at once by going to settings and pressing clean image, or you can delete them one by one by simply using a long press and then clicking delete. Again, you might not be happy with the quality of the image you've captured, or you might just want to clean up your tablet to make space for some other images. Some things we've mentioned in previous videos I'd like to go over again just for the sake of some troubleshooting tips. Do remember that the laser sensor inside the printer cannot see or pick up glass. You need to make sure that your beverage is filled up to the rim of your glass for the laser to pick this up. In terms of images, if your logo or image is in color, it might be a good idea to change the image to black and white. Again, with the text being black and the background being white. We find this gives the best quality of images for our prints. Something else we mentioned in the previous video, which I'd like to mention again, is the minimum height of 5 centimeters that you need to print from. So again, if you're printing on a flat surface, you need to elevate that a little bit. Okay. In terms of the quality of picture or image, if you're using a photograph, try and select a picture that does not have a lot going on behind you. If you're using the webcam for a selfie, make sure that your face fills up the actual screen or area where the photo is going to be taken. Going back to images, the quality of images or the quality of logos. If your image or logo is in color, we do find it best to change that to a black and white image. If it's simple text on a background, black text on a white background works best. Also, a fine font does not print really well. A bolder font works really good on the printing. So quality of image is really important for prints. That's all for today's video. If you have any queries and would like to contact us, please just see our contact details below this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Have a great day.